It's day 11 of the Akhal forest encounter. Last 11 days, the security forces are locked in an intense gun battle with the Lashkar group. While that operation continues, a unique challenge has developed or come up for the locals and for the wildlife department because of the relentless firing, blasts and gunfire. It has disturbed the habitat in the jungles, it has disturbed the wildlife, and importantly it's the monkeys, thousands of whom have come down into the built-up areas, into the villages, running away from the forest areas, and they are now causing huge inconvenience to the locals. According to the locals, these monkeys are damaging property. They are basically damaging the fruit crop, apples, vegetables, and now they have appealed to the forest department, to the wildlife teams, that they need to come in and find a solution to this menace, because if it is not taken care of, it is going to really cause massive damage to the locals and especially to the agricultural activity. On the other hand, the wildlife department sources say that they can't do much because this is a situation that has risen out of the blue all of a sudden, and obviously once the encounter situation really ends and once some semblance of normalcy returns to those forests, these monkeys will definitely go back. But till that happens, the locals will have to cooperate. They're trying their best to play a role as far as areas which have a bigger issue or where the concentration of monkeys is more. They'll try to drive them out, but quite clearly it's a situation that we've seen for the first time where, due to an encounter, due to an ongoing gunfight situation, a wildlife issue has really developed and it is now causing huge inconvenience to the local population. Ved Umesar Gul in Kulgam and Tariq Lone in Srinagar. Mir Farid for India Today.